The diameter, d centimeters, of the metal poles good pole manufacturing produces must satisfy the inequality. The absolute value of d minus 3 is less than or equal to 0.001. What is the maximum diameter in centimeters such a metal pole may have? In this question, we have an inequality, an absolute value inequality. So what we need to understand is that an absolute value represents the distance from 0. So this expression inside the absolute value, d minus 3, can be both negative or positive. And because of that, it'll give us two inequalities. First one would be d minus 3 less than or equal to 0.001. And the other one, which I'll put down here. As a matter of fact, let me put it over here. Negative d minus 3 is less than or equal to 0.001. Okay? Let me fix that 3. I don't like how that 3 looks. There we go. So now when we solve this, if you solve each of these inequalities, if I add 3 here, and I add 3 over here, we're going to add 3 zeros. That's going to give us d is less than or equal to 3.001. In this one, we're going to have to get rid of that negative 1. So we divide by negative 1 on both sides. The thing is, when we divide by negative 1 in an inequality, we've reversed the sign, so we end up with d minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 0.001. So now when I add 3, I'm going to add 3 zeros here. I'll get d is greater than or equal to 2.999. So basically what we have is that the diameter, the maximum value of the diameter is 3.001 centimeters, and the minimum value would be 2.999 because it says that d is greater than or equal to 2.999. and d is less than or equal to 3.001. Another way we can write this as a compound inequality is like this. We put 2.99 on this side, and on the other side we'll put 3.001. And so we can see that the maximum diameter for those poles would be 3.0.